Good morning, everyone. It's been a while, but reason being is we've been moving. We are leaving Boston and we are heading to Charlotte, North Carolina. So I'm very excited. The weather is better there for the car, a lot more motorsports. I'm excited for it. And in process of packing and moving, I have filled the car. So I have the front seat, the dog will go here. I have all his dog toys. I have his kennel. I have miscellaneous everything literally filled to the back. The trunk is filled, but not even that. We have a bike strapped to the car. Not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous about it. I did secure the front and rear tires, so they're not gonna be, at least the front one's not gonna be banging against the car. A little nervous about this, but I've already taken it off and it didn't rub on the spoiler, so I was okay with that. I'm a little nervous about the stripe, but I think I moved it over just enough that it won't interfere. It's nice and tight. Plenty of space between the car and the bike. But I'll take you guys along for a couple little pit stops along the way. We're just about heading out. I gotta help the fiance finalize some cleaning of the apartment. But other than that, we are on the way to North Carolina. Let's go. All right, did a quick little drive to U-Haul, obviously. Car is still good. The bike is still good. All set. There's the pup. He's excited. Let's do this. Okay, we're at highway speeds and the bike is still on. It doesn't look like it's vibrating too bad, so I think we're good to go. Hopefully we don't hit any potholes in the great state of Massachusetts. What do you think, bud? Yeah, all right, let's do this. Stop number one, we're at Subway. I feel like Subway is always the place to stop for road trips. Car still seems to be intact. Look at the bike. No scares yet, so that's good, even with the rain. I was a little afraid of the contact, but it seemed to be a-okay. Excellent. So we'll get some lunch and we'll keep on moving. Picking up gas now, and that says $5 fucking. That's insane. Oh my God. All right, I'm ready to leave the Northeast. Holy cow. All right, could have been worse, but still, good Lord. All right, back to the road. On the plus side, I have 319 miles till E, and I was getting about 25 miles per gallon, so that's a plus, I guess. Okay, you can't really see me that well, but we have made it to our destination for the night. So this is gonna conclude day one of the trip down to North Carolina. We'll get some good sleep, get some good food, and we'll catch up with you guys tomorrow morning. All right, deuces. Good morning. It is day two of this adventure down south. Right now we have the puppy running around, and we're gonna hit the road probably about 2 hours. We have a little bit to do while we're here and then get going. Where'd he go? There he is. Oh, that's a pretty sunset, or sunrise. Duh. Loves to run. All right, we'll catch you on the road. All right, we're on the road. This way, today's gonna be a little bit longer. I think it's about an 8-hour drive. Yesterday was about 6. So, long road ahead of us, but the sky does not look as bad as yesterday, and we keep heading south, so we should be A-okay. Car still looking good. Not too many dead bugs, which is impressive. Oh, yeah, okay, thank goodness. She's just very dirty. I have not cleaned her in a long time. So after this trip, she's getting cleaned. She needs it. Only $4.25. So that's not bad. 361 miles. We're getting better. I think that's a Hellcat. No, it's just a Hemi. think they gave me the thumbs up with the bike on the back. So shout out to those guys. It's a pink Mustang behind us. Sick. Oh, it's got that sparkle and everything. Very cool. Oh, Barbie. I got to talk to the owner of the pink Mustang. Apparently, it used to be like this color of mine. And then, of course, she obviously repainted it, added the sparkle to it. The rims had the little hearts. That looked cool. You know, she said she put a lot of work into it, and it shows, and it looks good. The convertible top used to be tan, so she refabricated it to be black, which was pretty sick. So, if you ever come across this video, excellent work. It looked really good. Nice job. So far, so good. Trip has been good. Weather is beautiful. We have about another 4 or 5 hours left to go, and then that'll be it. So let's get back on the road and keep it moving. Okay, I think we're at our final gas stop here. We are very close. I think we're sub 2 hours, so that's good. And the gas here is $3.79. So doing better. Doing better. At one point, I did have the bike almost horizontal, so that was a little concerning. So we're gonna strap that down a little bit better and get back on the road. Holy shit, that's my car. We're practically identical. Yo, what's up, dude? I ain't gonna lie, that thing sounds pretty freaking gnarly. Holy cow, it sounds good. I can't believe it. There's another one. This time it's a 3.7. What the heck? This is a sign. North Carolina's gonna be good to me. All right, we have an hour left to go. I gotta say, the drive has been pretty easy getting down here. Yesterday was a little rougher just due to the weather, but up here, super easy. I think at this point, I'm gonna focus on the rest of the drive, get there, and probably crash because I'm pretty tired, not gonna lie. So, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, hit that like button. If you really enjoyed, hit that sub button. So, hope to see some of you guys in the NC area. So, until next time,